This is gonna blow your mind. Zambia just called out the UN. Zambia has officially rejected allegations made by the UN Human Rights Council. The council had accused Zambia of human rights abuses, including the unlawful arrest of opposition figures and journalists. But Cornelius Muitwa, Zambia's Minister of Information and Media, says these claims are false and deceptive. Muitwa emphasized that Zambia upholds freedom of religion and expression, condemning any excessive use of force by law enforcement. He also highlighted Zambia's commitment to democratic principles and media freedom. Furthermore, Muitwa criticized the UNHRC for not engaging directly with the Zambian government to seek clarification. And in a related development, nearly 6,000 Congolese refugees have been assisted in returning home from Zambia since December 2021. These refugees, fleeing violence since 2017, have now received essential support to rebuild their lives. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.